Hi there, this is Ramesha with Vocal Bliss. Welcome. I would like to address today a question that I actually get a lot. Over the years, I've gotten this question, I don't know how many times. Why do I need to learn vocal technique when all I want to do is just to express my feelings? Can I just think about express myself instead of focusing on so much technique? Well, so here's the thing. This is out of my experience of singing and teaching for over 25 years now. You can have all the most amazing feelings inside your heart to express when you sing, and it's beautiful. But if the instrument that you're using is impaired or is not quite as ready and reliable to be able to allow these feelings to flow through and to reach the people who are listening to you, those feelings will be very strong in your heart, but they won't get across quite as much. Why? Because your instrument is not able to convey them appropriately. So, it's like for an instrument, for example, a pianist who wants to do music and play beautiful pieces by great composers and really pour his heart into the music that he plays. But if his fingers are not trained to move fast up and down and hit the right keys, it's going to be excruciating to listen to. And in singing, this translates into a sound that is kind of raw, not very pleasant, pitch that's not accurate. And if you're not trained, maybe you don't even know how to make your pitch accurate. And for the listener, this is not a pleasant experience. So once again, if you want to really touch people's hearts, if you want to really express feelings through your music, which is beautiful, this is what music is for. But if you don't have the ability to allow these feelings to translate into sound, into voice, into beautiful notes and tones, then those feelings will just stay buried into your heart, but they won't really reach people very much. So my suggestion is, and this is really what I found has been really tremendously helpful for me as a singer, is that when I need to sing something, even if I need to practice some things, because obviously practice is always good, but for the most part, when I sing, I've done the work. I've trained my voice, I've practiced the song, and when I'm singing it, I can just allow that technical part to happen almost automatically. And I can focus on almost 100% on the feelings that I want to express, on the music itself, on the consciousness behind the words and the melodies and the notes. And then you're really able to convey through sound what your heart feels. Because the instrument responds instantaneously. I can start a song and immediately my voice is able to get into gear, so to speak, and all these feelings, this energy that is in the song comes across, and sometimes better than others. It also depends on your frame of mind in the moment, but for the most part, you have an instrument that responds to what you want it to do, and this is the greatest thing, I think, about learning vocal technique, which is when you're up there in front of an audience, you open your mouth to sing, and you have a deep connection with the music you're singing, and you want to express it and share it, then your voice, boom, it's just there. It responds to whatever you want it to do. Every time it's different. The same song, you can sing it in a gazillion different ways every time, depending on, like I say, your frame of mind of the moment, your inspiration of the moment. It doesn't matter, but your voice will follow you wherever, because the voice by nature is already so much linked to our feelings and emotion, even our spoken voice. You know, how many times have you had the experience of you're upset and you're trying to hide it, and you tell somebody who knows you well, say, no, I'm not upset, but they can tell even by the tone of your voice that you are upset. So the voice really, in a sense, betrays our feelings. And this is also true in singing, but it happens much, much better and more powerfully if the voice is trained. And, you know, if you want to move it up and down, do some vibrato, do whatever, your voice is there ready to respond to what you want it to do. So I feel this is the greatest motivator for me and for many of the students I've been working with, to say, look, you do this only once in your life. Once you've done it, your voice is there. You're not gonna lose it. You're gonna, obviously you have to keep it in good shape like every other muscle in the body. But for the most part, you open your mouth and you know what you want, you know what sound you want, and the voice responds, and it's exactly what you want. So I hope this is compelling to you. It is really remarkable, the difference it makes to know that if you hit a high note, boom, you know where to go and it's there, as opposed to you shoot up and hope for the best. You know, it's a lot to have on your mind while you're singing. Oh my God, will that note come out? Oh, am I gonna be able to do that? Oh my God, what about that? You don't want to be thinking about this while you're performing, right? You want to be thinking about the music. That's the whole point. And so the more focus you put on your vocal technique before and develop it, the less focused you'll need to be on it while you're performing. And then your attention can go to what really matters, which is the music itself. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it inspired you to maybe think about taking some singing lessons or some courses or whatever you find that can help you to really develop your instrument as it needs in order to express itself. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.